Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team Debrew, and today we have part number 5 video showing you how to make $100 per day with a list building by using Google Adwords. And today's topic is keyword research. So let's jump into the content. Hey to everyone, and welcome back to our series showing you how to make $100 per day with list building by using Google Adwords. And like I mentioned before, today's topic is keyword research. So I'm gonna just share a couple of points or bullet points, what is important and how we're gonna actually structure our lead magnet campaign by using ad groups, and especially focusing on one main keyword, so a relevant keyword to your ad copy. So let's jump to the first slide, which is up here, and let's have a look to a couple of points and how we're gonna structure this part. So let's jump to the right side first. So all three steps need to be congruent. I have already mentioned that. So the targeted keyword, so the PPC, the keywords that we're gonna target, the ad copy keyword that you're gonna use inside your ad copy, and the landing page keyword need to be congruent. That the visitor journey, when actually he or she types in the search bar a particular keyword, it's gonna go through entire flow. So they type a particular keyword, and then the ad that pops out for that particular search is very relevant to the keyword that they have typed in. And this we can have a look to a screenshot just below where it says cheap airfare. So that's a keyword that somebody actually put in the search bar, and the ad first pop up, and where you can see that they used the same keyword twice in their ad copy. So this is how you want to have your campaign set up. So to have through all three steps relevant keywords and need to be congruent. And to do that, we're gonna find a keyword, so the main relevant keyword to your ad copy and what you're giving for free, and then use this keyword inside the ad group. So we're gonna have one main keyword per ad group, and you want to have 2 to 3 ad groups focusing on one main keyword that you can test which one is giving you the best results. So that's how you're gonna test different relevant main keywords with different ad copies to find the best combination. If you look on the right side below on the screenshot where it says set up ad groups, you can see that this is the ad group number 1, where we're gonna import the main keyword number 1, and we're gonna use 3 different match types. So the first one is broad match modifier, the second one is phrase, and the last one is the exact match. And in today's video, we're gonna find 2 main keywords relevant to our free giveaway ebook and the ad copy that we're gonna use in the next video to show you how you can use that in your campaign. So let's jump to the left side and let's just go through a couple of bullet points. So what is important when doing keyword research? So first, want to identify your root keyword, so the main relevant keyword, like I said, to your ad copy and to the giveaway that you're giving for free in exchange for their email address. So you don't want to pay for clicks that have little to no chance of converting. So that's why we are focusing on the main keyword, right? It's so much better only to have your ad triggered for highly relevant search keywords. So this is the part that we're gonna do in today's video. This way you can safely spend your ad budget with the peace of mind that the clicks you are generating are coming from users who actually were searching for what you are offering. That's why, again, you need to use relevant keywords to your free giveaway content, that it's everything congruent. And the last one, people want what they searched for, so exactly what they searched for. So the best way to ensure that every ad you post generates interest is to focus on one keyword per ad group. Like I mentioned before, that we're gonna use 3 different match types. So here you can see below on this screenshot, so broad match modifier, phrase, and exact match type. So exact, it's exact what the keyword is. Phrase is a search term that includes the keyword phrase without any words in between or a close variation. So you can see the example. So bike shop is the keyword, and matches is local bike shop. So it's another word attached to the main keyword. And broad match modifier, so it's a search term that includes all words preceded by plus or a close variation. So bike shop, so need to be inside the matches. So bike repair shop, so bike and shop, it's inside the matches phrase. So this is pretty much everything for now, and now we're gonna jump to a Google Keyword Planner, and we're gonna find 2 different main relevant keywords that we're gonna use for the next video where we're gonna set up our lead magnet campaign. So let's jump to the Keyword Planner. Alright, so here we are inside the Google Keyword Planner. And first I just want to show you what I meant with ad groups, that we're gonna use 1 main keyword per ad group, and you want to have 2 or 3 ad groups to test, so different relevant keywords, and then have 2 to 3 actually ad variation for each ad group, and then test it and find the best combination for your promotion. And now let's jump to the second tab, which is Keyword Planner. So to actually come to up here, you're gonna need to create your Google account, and then you're gonna come to the main menu, and you're gonna click up here, Tools and Settings, and here you have under the planning, you have Keyword Planner. So you're gonna click up here, and you're gonna come to this particular site. So here you have on the top location, language, search networks, and the time range. So if you are focusing on any particular country, so let's say Australia for this tutorial, language English, and last 12 months, let's say you can go even 6 months or 3 months to have more relevant fresh results. And here in the search bar, you're gonna type the keywords that they are relevant to your free content you're giving away. So in our case, this is an ebook, so the Bulletproof Keto Diet ebook. So this is our giveaway, and we are going around these particular words to find the best main relative keyword. And today we're gonna find 2 main relevant keywords for each of the ad groups. So ad group number 1 and ad group number 2. So I know that one keyword is gonna be a keto diet book, which is gonna be very relevant to our free giveaway, which is a free keto diet ebook that they can download. So let's type that keyword up here. So I'm gonna put keto diet book, and we're gonna go by results. So we are searching for Australia and English. So you can see the keto diet book has 1k to 10k monthly searches on average, and this is the keyword number 1 that we're gonna put in our ad group, absolutely, because it's very relevant, and the ad copy is gonna be around this keyword. So let's have a look to the other keywords that we have here below. So we have keto cookbook, so keto recipe book, so keto books, keto diet cookbook. So this we're gonna probably go with the second main keyword, so keto diet cookbook. We're gonna have a look, we're gonna type it in the search bar. So we have keto books, keto cookbook, so keto diet book, so best keto diet book, because this is our main keyword. So we have best at the front, the keto reset diet, and we have the keto diet cookbook. So we have many similar keywords. So we're gonna focus on the main one, which is gonna be this one here. So keto diet book is gonna be the relevant main keyword number 1 for the ad group number 1, and for the ad group number 2, let's just change the words, and we're gonna go keto diet cookbook. like that. And let's have a look how many searches we have. So we have from 100 to 1K per month, which is all good. So you want to go above 100 if it's possible, if you're actually targeting a specific country. So this is all good. Anyway, you're gonna test it 3 different match types, and from the results you will see what kind of different phrases are actually performing the best for your campaign. So we're gonna use these 2 main relevant keywords, so keto diet cookbook and keto diet book. And then you can test it both and create 2 or 3 ad variation with different ad copy, but still very relevant to this particular keyword to have the best visitor journey and the best click-through rate. So more relevant the flow, better results you're gonna get. All right, so we said that we're gonna go with keto diet book. So these are 2 keywords, so the main relevant keyword that we're gonna put in 2 separate ad groups by using 3 different match types. And then we're gonna test it to see what kind of results you are getting and which keywords are performing the best. So this part we're gonna actually do in the live campaign, where we're gonna create our lead magnet campaign by using these 2 relevant keywords, and where we're gonna actually create the ad copy. So let's go just quickly again. So you want to have the keywords very relevant to your free content you're giving away. So in our example, we have the ebook that they can download for free, which is the Bulletproof Keto Diet ebook. And the keywords that you are searching need to be very relevant to this search phrase. So the search phrase, the relevant keywords that we're gonna use in our campaign is gonna be keto diet cookbook and keto diet book, by using 3 different match types to test all possibilities and to see what kind of keywords are performing the best. Alright guys, so this would be everything for today's video. Hope you get some value and understanding how to actually find your main relevant keyword for your free content that you're gonna giving away in exchange for their email list, and why we are using this relevant keyword.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.